Hello everyone, another good tips for how to clean your wipers. Just use the WD-40, spray it on it and just wipe it down. I got just only one hand, that means I'll be spray it. Yeah, I just spray it, as you can see, and now just wipe it down. As you can see, this all dirt is there. I'll be also do another one. And also you can restore your plastic with the WD-40, because you can see the different, yeah, restore the plastic as well. Look at that, it looks nice. Okay, click like, subscribe. These nice tips for you. You don't need to replace straight away the wipers. Just try do this first, and should be okay. Just clean it properly. And also it's a protection for your plastic over here. Click like, subscribe, and don't forget, watch my another video, maybe some other tips for WD-40 as well. Have a nice day.